Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal and I am so glad you are here. In today's video, I am sharing with you an easy fall Dollar Tree sensory bin. I love making sensory bins. I think they're so easy and they're so fun, and this one is very frugal. Let's get into this video. I started out with this clear container from the Dollar Tree. These containers are larger than the shoebox container and they work really well as a sensory bin. I bought a few items and, spoiler alert, they all came from the Dollar Tree. I like to pull the sensory bins out a couple of times a week for my kids and they absolutely love them. Today I'm using some corn kernels. My children are old enough so they won't be putting them in their mouth. Please leave them out if your kids might put them in their mouth. Then I added some fall leaves. These are fake ones, and you can even add real leaves. I think that would be really fun. Then they can crunch them with their fingers. Then I bought some mini pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. These ones are that fake leather material. I thought this would be a great way to add a different texture to the bin. I also added these green pumpkins, and the texture on these pumpkins are kind of like a sweater knit material. I also added some orange pipe cleaners, and these are the prickly material, and they can use these to build stuff or to twist them. They're just fun to play with. And then I have some Halloween stickers, and I'll add these when it's closer to Halloween. These are really fun because I can hide them underneath the corn or a leaf, and they can find them as a little prize. Sensory bins are so easy and inexpensive to make from the Dollar Tree. A fun thing to do with younger children who are learning their letters or numbers is to add a letter or number to the sensory bin and hide it, and then let them find it, and that's a fun way to introduce the letter that you're going to be learning that day. Make sure to add some scoopers like some measuring cups or tongs, and your kid will have a blast. My kids love their fall sensory bins. They're so much fun, and they love to play with them and build things, and they also like to make a mess with it, if I'm being honest. I love that everything is fall themed, and it gets them so excited to celebrate this new change of season. Please make sure to check out my other sensory bin videos. I'll link them up at the top and then also in the bottom in the description below. How fun was that Dollar Tree sensory bin? I love the fall, and you can add so many different things to it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I can make more sensory bin videos. I could even make a really long one with tons of ideas. I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved, and I will see you next time on the Lilac House. Bye.